everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Angie, and on my channel I like to do all things homemaking, especially cooking and decorating. If you're new today, I just want to welcome you here and thank you for coming, and those who are subscribed to my channel, I just want to give you a special thank you for coming every week and supporting me. Today I am going to be doing two new recipes. One is a deviled egg recipe. These of course are both low carb, and right now I am just putting 6 eggs into my pressure cooker. This is my favorite way to do hard-boiled and soft-boiled eggs, and I'm adding 1 cup of water, and then I just put it on the egg setting for my pressure cooker. Now I'm going to set that aside, and I'm going to mix up the ingredients that will get mixed into my egg yolks. So first I'm going to add 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. And this was a really good recipe. I normally am not like a huge fan of deviled eggs. I like them, but I don't make them that often. But this recipe was really good. So this is 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. And of course I'll have these recipes in the link in the description down below for you. And now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. And then I'm gonna add some garlic powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon. And then just a dash of sea salt. And I've already cooked some bacon, and I'm gonna chop that up to garnish it with. So now you want to mix that together well. Get all the flavors incorporated. So now once your eggs have cooled off, you're gonna want to slice them in half, and they should be this pretty bright yellow color. If you ever get a green color to your egg yolk, then they've been overcooked and they usually get kind of rubbery. Now you're going to put the egg yolks into the bowl with the mixture that you made, and just set the egg whites aside. They should come out pretty easily. So this of course makes 12 deviled eggs. Now I found using a whisk was the easiest way to do this, but you might want to use a hand mixer. I did rinse my egg whites off just because they got a little messy when I was trying to get the yolks out. So here I'm using a glass, and I'm just putting my piping bag, turning it inside out over the edges of it to hold it in place. Now I'm using a large star tip. Of course, you don't have to do this, you can just spoon the mixture in. And now I'm just gonna squeeze the mixture out into each of the egg whites. And that one did have a lump in it, so there was a bit of an explosion there. So I'm just filling those in till the mixture's gone, and then I'm gonna sprinkle it with smoked paprika. And now I'm just gonna top each of the eggs with a piece of the bacon. This was a really good recipe, and I hope you'll try it. Now moving on to bacon cheeseburger casserole. So I'm adding 1 pound of ground beef to the skillet. The recipe calls for 1.5 pounds, but it's just me and my husband eating this, so I did make some slight changes. So I'm using my meat chopper to chop that up and cook it till it's brown. And now I'm adding some seasoning salt. And it is 1 teaspoon of seasoning salt and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. And then I'm gonna incorporate that well, and I'm just adding some sea salt there and some pepper. And here I'm using half of a onion that I'm chopping up with my food chopper. And now I'm gonna add that to the meat. Normally I would add it in with the meat while the meat's cooking. I was just running a little late on chopping it. Now I'm gonna add 2 cloves of garlic to this. And this is some of the bacon that I had cooked earlier. I just warmed it up in the microwave. So I'm just chopping that up real quick. And I'm adding 2 ounces of cream cheese. And you wanna mix that in well. 2 tablespoons of a sugar-free ketchup. 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire. And then I'm just gonna mix that evenly. Then you want to spray your 9x13 dish and then just add that to the dish. Spread that out, and then I'm gonna top it with the chopped bacon. And then in a bowl you want to add 2 eggs and a half a cup of heavy whipping cream. I'm using a cup there to measure. And then you pour that over the meat mixture. And then you can either use 6 dill pickle chips, or you can dice up dill pickle like I did and sprinkle that on. And you're supposed to add 1 cup of shredded cheese to the egg mixture, but I didn't have shredded cheese, so I just topped mine with pepper jack slices. And then you're also supposed to add another cup of shredded cheese to the top of that, but I didn't do that. So this casserole was extremely good. My husband and I both loved it, so I hope you'll try it. Thanks for being here today. I appreciate you stopping by, and I want to invite you back. If you enjoy my video, please give me a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much. Have a great week. Bye.